Hi, Ron Boy here with Ward Cedar Log Homes. Today we're going to talk about process overview, what it takes to build a log or timber home from start to finish. And whether you're building a log home, timber home, or hybrid, it can seem like a daunting task. And while we admit it is a complex process with a lot of moving pieces, it's more than doable even if you have no previous construction experience. The secret to embracing a potentially overwhelming project is to break it down into manageable pieces. And we're big believers in this magic. That's why we'll equip you with a 100+ page construction guide to walk you or your builder through the building process step by step. But while we're all about sharing the nitty-gritty details, we also believe a high-level overview is in order at times. So to help take the mystery out of the building process, let's get into a few stops you'll make on your dream home journey. First, to kick off the process of creating your new home, you'll begin to determine your budget. And if you're going to be financing to build your home, you want to keep in mind that you'll most likely need a traditional 15 to 30-year mortgage loan and possibly a shorter term construction loan. Second, you want to select a property for your new cedar log or timber home and prep the site. In addition to obvious considerations like location, proximity to amenities, and views, you also want to consider the site's topography and setbacks. And when choosing a property beyond the price of the land, you'll want to plan for necessary site prepping cost, such as your tree removal, septic or well installation, and foundation cost. Third, you want to choose a design. This is where the real fun begins, and you get to put all of those great log home ideas you've had into action. Remember, you've got options with us, and you can select one of our floor plans for your new home and modify it to suit your lifestyle and preferences, or you can create a new home from the ground up with the layout and finishing materials that are perfectly suited to you. And once you have a design in mind, we'll arm you with a log home plan and provide an estimate for a materials package based on preferences and your budget. Fourth, you want to select a contractor who will help bring your Ward Cedar log home to life, unless you plan on building it yourself. Whichever way you choose to build, we offer support every step of the way. And once your home is complete, landscaping and decorating are up next, but only after a well-deserved celebration, of course. To begin your log home journey, give us a call today and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any videos. And thank you for watching.